Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about class 9 chapter motion. In this chapter we are going to learn about basic topics like distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration and many more. So let's begin. What is motion? Motion is everywhere around us. If something changes its position with time, it is said to be in motion. Right now I may look still, but actually I am moving with the earth around the sun. So motion always depends on the reference point. Reference point is a point from which the change in the position of the moving object can be measured and observed. So motion always depends on a reference point. Relative motion. Motion of one object with respect to other is called relative motion. If an object does not change its position with time, it is said to be at rest. For example, when students sit quietly in the class, they are at rest, but only until the bell rings. Now let us talk about distance and displacement. Distance is the total path covered by an object, and displacement is the shortest straight line distance between the initial and final position. Distance has only magnitude, but displacement has both magnitude and direction.
Now let's talk about speed. Speed tells us how fast something is moving. It is the distance traveled per unit time. Example, if a car travels 60 km in 1 hour, its speed is 60 km per hour. Speed has only magnitude, not direction, so it's a scalar quantity. Velocity tells us how fast and in which direction something is moving. It is the displacement per unit time. Example, a car moving 60 km per hour east has a velocity of 60 km per hour east. Velocity has both magnitude and direction, so it's a vector quantity. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion occurs when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. The speed remains constant. Example, a car moving at a constant 50 km per hour on a straight road. Non-uniform motion occurs when an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. The speed changes with time. Example, a bus in city traffic that speeds up and slows down.
Now, let us understand acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. When the speed of a car increases, acceleration is positive. When brakes are applied, acceleration becomes negative, also called retardation. To understand the motion better, we use graph. In a distance time graph, a straight line shows an uniform motion and a curved line shows non-uniform motion. In velocity time graph, the slope of the graph gives acceleration and the area under the graph gives the distance traveled. Equations of motion. There are three equations used when motion has uniform acceleration. V is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus half at square, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, where u is equals to initial velocity, v is equals to final velocity, a is equals to acceleration, t is equals to time, d is equals to distance, and s is equals to displacement. These equations helps us to calculate speed, distance and time easily without guessing and praying. There are also different types of motion. Rectilinear motion is a motion in a straight line, like a car moving on a straight road. Circular motion is when an object moves in a circular path, like a blades of a fan or hands of a clock. Periodic motion, it repeats itself after equal intervals of time, like a pendulum or the earth evolving around the sun.